Hey guys, welcome back to the Analyzer. Today is January 17th, 2021. We are going to analyze HYLION stock, ticker HYLN. Before we do, please click that like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for all. This way, it'll help out the YouTube algorithm and you get new content notification from me. Also, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So with that being said, let's get right into it. Here we are with HYLION in the 1 hour time frame. Um, Previously, the stock has been going parabolically with the whole new EV hype, and people have misunderstanding or doing less, research. People thought that HYLION is the truck manufacturing using, electrification, powertrain, but they don't make new trucks. They partner up with a couple other companies, and they make, you know, they design and have Dana build the electrification powertrain that HYLION has designed. Um, Fundamentally, nothing wrong with the stock. I like the new CEO. I do like him as as a CEO. I think he's a great guy, smart guy. Um, has the passion for trucks and automotive in general. But I think over the long term, he'll be great if they keep producing good news. So far, the company has been pretty quiet. They are trying to get new contracts, but it has been pretty quiet lately, and you can see the stock, ever since November, it has been pretty quiet. But we went through the worst with Highland. We went up, down, create that head and shoulder, and then we in the consolidating phase. And great news is that we the worst is over, right? Warrants are called is over. The stock price is consolidating. I am going to add to my new position this coming week for the long term run. I think it will be huge for Hylion. We don't know when, but their Hypertruck EOX is the real deal, and I am banking on it. I'm betting on it. So let's just that's for the more fundamental. Nothing fancy, nothing outstanding, but nothing bad, right? Technically, we're looking good. I think we in that, like I say, we have been in that consolidating phase, ever since November. So there we are, consolidating within that range, and I think it might go for a while until we get some new contract, some new um, catalyst, that will bring the stock upwards. But it's one of those things we don't know when, but we can't sleep on it either. So we had to make a decision whether you want to hold it long term, or hold it for short term, or swing trade. This right here create a perfect swing trade scenario. You can see it right here. People bought at the bottom, sold off, you know, and then go up here, sold off again. People buy back at the support that it has previously created, and swing trading. We might test at that $15 range, 15.37, but I don't think it go there. Last week it was just a lot of political news, and people are just worried before the presidential inauguration. So we see a lot of sell off, but we did see volume picking back up, which is a great thing. MACD is 1 hour chart, and MACD looks like it's gonna cross soon. So we might be testing that level. we can put a line here. It looks like a good support right there too, 1593, and we might test that, bounce back up, and then go, keep going within that consolidation phase. So let's just keep here until it breaks. We'll bring it back up if it consolidating up there. But as of right now, we are consolidating within the SMA right now, looking bearish across all the SMA. But I think once the presidency is over, we might, we will see this thing picking back up, and I'm very confident with that. So let's see here. So HYLION, where we are, so coming this week, we might test that, go back up, and then go parabolic towards that, get reject, come back down, get rejected, and then hopefully some good news, if Mr. He Healy, decide to say something good for the company. We'll test that 1895, and that seems to be a big resistance for us to get over with. And we test it there, get rejected back down, get rejected, yeah, and it's just deteriorating um, with the whole warrant being called and then sold off. But it's all over. All the bad news are over, and technically, we should see in this. And if you zoom out, head and shoulder, the worst is over, consolidating. We should be picking back up like that. Give it time. It's a good company, good CEO. They're doing their best. I know they don't talk a lot, but I think it's a good thing for the company. We don't want to pump up the stock with there's no significant news that would help the company grow long term. It's just gonna make the stock more volatile. So it's a buy. HYLION is a buy. So that's all I have for you. I hope you guys like the content. Let me know what you guys think in the comment, or if there's any stock that you're interested in that you want me to do a video on, let me know. Let's make some money.